guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the Boys, and as usual we have our mom over here.
Hello everyone.
Okay guys, well today we are doing something simple. It's called beef sauce. Bring it here. It's called beef sauce with, we have our veggies,
Cube seasoning.
yeah, seasoning, salt, groundnut oil, turmeric, ground ginger and garlic over here, and your drumstick, yeah, and beef. So that's why it's called beef sauce, beef. So yeah guys, if you love the content, just drop the like, subscribe, if you're new. We do cooking over here, anything I got to do cooking we are here. So yeah guys, without much, let's guys, we're back again. Right now we're just going to put the drumstick in the pot and add the beef on top.
Show them how you cut the beef.
We cut the beef little tiny, just let it not be big. Let's just put it on top. Okay. Then you add your Maggi. Just break it all around. And you add your salt. Let's just do everything one. Add some little quantity of salt around. Is it enough?
It's okay.
Okay, and then your turmeric. Add your turmeric. Add salmon, right? Cinnamon. This brown is salmon. This brown is called cinnamon. Onion.
Sorry.
But I hate onions. I said to pour the ginger and garlic.
Pour it.
Everything. So.
You can just remove it.
Okay guys, so what we added here was salt, Maggi, cinnamon and turmeric with your ginger and garlic mixture grounded.
Can't see well.
It's onion.
So here is our
Then your
chopped onion and pepper.
So you chop and diced. So that's just everything you need to put into one pot. Basically everything. So it's not too much. It's not too much of a big thing. So yeah, this is how it is from after it has been dealt with or handled. So yeah, now it's to put it on the fire.
We are adding little water.
Yeah, okay, just little water.
So
Into the mix.
Alright. We can't see well.
Okay guys, now if you take it to the fire, it's just basically everything, and then you have to cut and handle your veggies, your carrots, your pepper, your tomato, your onion. You cut them and clean them up and cut them. So yeah, so we're just going to put the other one on fire, and that's basically everything. And yeah, that's just it. We'll meet you guys when we have cut and cleaned everything up. So yeah.
So guys, this is our green pepper. This is how we are cutting it. Just like this. Just cut it this way. Not too small, not too big. That's how you're going to cut it. You cut everything. Okay everyone, so this is our meat. So I want to see if it is okay. It's like it's okay, it's soft. It's soft. So at this point we are going to take these drumsticks out. We need to pieces it just like this. I wish I can do it this way. Just have to pieces it. So just like that. Pieces it. You take out the bones. So I'm trying to see if I can take out those bones. What we need is just the beef, the chicken meat. We don't want the bone. So you can do it this way. If you can't do it this way, just take them out from the pot. Once it's cold, you now take off the flesh. Take out the flesh. Okay. Take out the flesh. Then, so that's basically that, right?
Guys, now look at the vegetables over here. Cut it very well. Look at it. Just basically chop and dicing.
Look at how
it's very attractive. So yeah guys,
So colorful.
now it's to put it into the pot like how we say. The meat has boiled a little, so put it as wow, this is going to be sweet.
It's like this.
Put it in and then we'll let it fry. Fry, boil. Cook. We're going to cook, fry and boil everything. Yeah.
Everything.
Now vegetable with chicken. Vegetable and chicken.
You will be chewing.
chewing the baby and chewing it.
Combine the name.
I'm not combining nothing.
You like, I'll combine.
Don't combine anything.
Vegetable.
Like this.
Nah.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Yeah, that's how it's done. Vegetable.
Cheatable.
Shut up. Shut up.
Our pot is like this small packet.
But to still do the trick, so. So nice to add what? What
We
are we
add salt and
Serious then?
please don't mind. This is a family house. Children, they are everywhere. As you can see, today is weekend. They are at home, and school have not yet resumed. So please bear with me. What can an African mother do? So that's it. You just add a little salt and seasoning.
Will you still turn it?
Yes, I'm going to turn it. Where is this? So just turn it like this. If you see that but I know once it's well cooked, it will thick. But whereby it's not thick for you, probably your water is too much. You can use cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yes, to thicken, to give it. Use it as a thickener. Just take maybe 1 or 2 spoons.
It will not affect the flavor.
No, it won't.
Okay guys, remedy is cornstarch to make it hot.
Yes, but me, I'm good like this. I don't want to add any cornstarch.
Look at show the pot. Look at it looking. Everything we do on this channel, it looks like something out of fairy tale. It's
So without you testing it, at least you can see that.
It's good.
We'll eat this after.
Oh no. We are something like that, you know.
Let me not
Guys,
see.
we use it on rice.
Yes, we use it on rice this afternoon. This weekend, this Saturday. Today is Saturday. Let me tell you guys, we are using it. So that's
Now
it for now.
you cover. Simple step. Once you are done mixing, you cover. Final this thing, you can see the sauce and the beef sauce. So we are going to use it with rice. It's just basically it's a simple dish. It's not
But
so
it's delicious, guys.
I was trained the night before we started recording. So guys, this is just all you need to do. It's not hard. It's very easy. Within 30 minutes to 45 minutes, you're done making the sauce. Then you add it. Maybe you can use your rice or anything you want. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you loved what you just finished watching, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment down below whatever you want to see or anything, you know, extra content. So yeah guys,
Please subscribe.
And if you watch this video, if you are here, you are still here watching this video, you are a real one. You definitely need to drop a thumbs up because you love the content.
It's not easy being in the kitchen, guys. Look at the way I'm sweating.
Man,
I'm sweating. Please like this video, comment.
You heard the boss. So yeah guys, that's pretty much everything for today. Till our next video. And yeah, bye bye.